Hey friends, welcome back to our French learning series.
Today we unlock exactly how to ask perfect questions in French. First, closed questions, the ones that expect only yes or no. A closed question in French is called question fermée. There are 3 easy ways to make them. Method 1. Simply raise your voice at the end of a normal sentence.
Like this. Vous êtes dentiste? Are you a dentist? Vous êtes dentiste?
That rising intonation turns any statement into a casual question. It is the simplest and most informal way. Method 2. Start with Est-ce que?
Est-ce que vous êtes dentiste? Are you a dentist? Est-ce que vous êtes dentiste?
Est-ce que is neutral and works in both spoken and written French. Method 3. Invert the verb and subject.
Êtes-vous dentiste? Are you a dentist? Êtes-vous dentiste?
This sounds very formal, perfect for writing or important speech. Now that we know closed questions, let's move to open-ended ones. Open-ended questions start with special interrogative words.
Comment? How? Quand? When? Où? Where? Combien? How much or how many? C'est quoi? What is? C'est qui? Who is?
In casual spoken French, you can put the question word at the beginning or the end.
Où vous habitez? Or vous habitez où? Where do you live? Où vous habitez? Or vous habitez où? C'est quoi ton nom? Or ton nom c'est quoi? What's your name? C'est quoi ton nom? Or ton nom c'est quoi?
This flexible style feels natural in everyday talk. In formal written French, the question word always starts the sentence.
Où habitez-vous? Where do you live? Où habitez-vous? Comment t'appelles-tu? What's your name? Comment t'appelles-tu?
This strict structure keeps everything clear and correct. So remember, casual speech gives you freedom. Formal writing demands precision. Now let's quickly review the 3 closed question methods side by side. Intonation, informal spoken. Est-ce que, neutral everyday use. Inversion, formal and written. For open questions, use the big 6 words we learned. Choose position based on how formal you need to be.
Practice these every day, and your French conversations will flow naturally.
Which question style will you try first? Drop your answer in the comments with the word secret if you want the next episode on formal questions. Like this video if it helped you today. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an episode. Share with a friend who is learning French.
Your French journey is just getting started. We'll see you in the next episode.
Au revoir. Bye. Merci for watching.